This video by Value Coders will discuss the top 5 ways logistics companies can benefit from AI and ML to enhance performance. Simplify AI implementation. Use an iterative approach for easy integration. Focus on high-impact use cases for quick wins. Reinvest gains to scale AI across logistics. Optimize costs. Adopt AI incrementally for cost optimization. Target high ROI areas like route optimization. Use successes to fund wider AI implementation. Ensure seamless integration. Carefully plan to sync AI with legacy systems. Prioritize workflow augmentation over complete transformation. Minimize disruption for a smooth integration process. Bridge skill gaps. Proactively train and reskill the workforce. Enable smooth AI adoption. Empower employees for high-value tasks. Secure data. Implement robust access controls and encryption. Adhere to ethical data practices. Build trust while extracting maximum AI value. That concludes top AI applications are transforming logistics performance. To discuss custom AI solutions tailored for your firm, contact Value Coders today at www.valuecoders.com.